Well, that's the kitchen wiped down, and the cupboards empty, and microwave plate there, microwave empty, cupboards empty, empty. I feel like Bob Earnshaw doing this. Empty. Now the bathroom. Everything's out. Cupboard's empty. All empty. Nothing in the shower. So one room ticked off. Top bunk now stripped, and bottom bunk, and cleaned out everything underneath the bottom bunk. TV removed from bracket. Another room ticked off. Hello and welcome to
Hitch Up and Tow.
We're at the storage yard. We have just managed to empty the van, give it a bit of a clean out, because Sunday,
Sad day,
sad day,
but a happy day.
no, Tuesday, happy day.
Well, yeah, but still.
Sunday, the caravan goes back to Glossop, where we brought it from, brand new, 6 years ago.
6 years.
6 years we've had this van.
2013.
Yep, and we've been on numerous holidays. Lots of holidays, but it's a Elders Avanti 576 sixth berth with fixed bunks at the rear, which was fine with the kids when they were smaller.
But now one's 17 and taller than me.
So bunks really not in use anymore. No. Has a double side dinette, which was fine when we were smaller.
Me when we were skinnier.
A bit tight to fit round there now, so that's not in use anymore.
Did you know it's age that does that?
Age?
So they say.
I thought it was fatness.
I thought it was greed.
Possibly. Too many barbecues.
Too many holidays.
Yeah, so the dinette's not in use anymore. The bunks are not in use anymore. So it's like half the caravan isn't being used. So we bit the bullet.
We did.
And we're trading in for a new van.
Which we weren't really going to do yet.
No.
But we just thought, let's go and have a look round.
Yeah. Worst thing ever. Never go and look around a caravan showroom. Especially with your wife in tow.
Especially when they're all unlocked.
Oh, yeah.
That's the good thing about Glossop, they're all unlocked.
I must admit, it's nice not having a salesman over your shoulder, just going in, having a wander around, seeing what you want. I must admit, we did find the van we wanted online.
Yeah. Can I just say, especially when you're doing the toilet test?
You have to explain that now.
Okay. Well, being a lady and being a larger lady, you have to do the toilet test.
Don't be too graphic, please.
Okay. Which means sitting on the toilet with your legs akimbo. To make sure you can wipe all the areas that God gave you.
That's too much information.
Yeah, no, but you know.
Right.
Anyway, this bathroom was ideal, but there was a cupboard right next to your leg. So basically, if you had to do womanly things, it was a bit difficult. So I was on the toilet in Glossop, not on the toilet, but I was on the toilet doing the toilet test. And the salesman walked in. Has to be done.
Has to be done. But there we go.
Has to be done.
But originally we went to have a look at a different van, didn't we?
We did.
And we got a price for ours for the trade-in. We went and had a look. Wasn't what we wanted really, was it? So the van next door was open. We had a look in that one. Well, we'd seen this online.
Yeah.
And I liked it. You wasn't.
I didn't.
Well, you didn't, yeah.
No.
But we had a look inside and someone changed their mind.
I did.
And I still liked it.
Yeah.
So, Tuesday of next week, we should be picking up a
Bailey, which I must admit I didn't want and I didn't like from the outside. But it was because it was a unicorn and it was brown and I didn't like them, to be honest. But this one's a Pegasus and it's blue, my favourite colour. Well, you know. Anyway, it's lovely inside, I've got to admit. It's got everything we need and I've got my bed. Because I'm also disabled. I'm not in a wheelchair full time. I have got a bit of use of my legs, but I can't stand for very long and I can't walk very far. So I needed a bed. I mean, this one's great. I mean, 6 berth, massive bed, but it was getting in and out, which was a problem. But now we've got our side bed.
Which is going to be a problem for me getting in and out.
Yeah, but you can just jump over me.
Oh yeah, I'm so energetic like that, am I?
Okay, well you asked me to, I don't know, move.
That's going to be better than making the bed up every night then.
It will be.
And the nice thing about this caravan, the bunks at the front, especially on the door side, is long enough for Lauren to sleep on. So I don't need to make the bed up at the front.
Yeah.
Where I found a lot of side bed caravans, the benches at the front were too small.
Yeah. I mean, she's about my height, isn't she? So she's about 5'2", 3".
Yeah, 5'2", 5'4", something like that.
So I fitted on there perfectly.
According to Bailey, the bunks are 5'8".
Oh, really?
So
Well, there you go then. So she'll be sleeping on the front bunk. Son doesn't want to come anymore. And we'll be in the bed. Yay!
not all the time. I'm not doing a John Lennon and Yoko Ono.
Speak for yourself.
But yes, so hopefully we should be picking it up on Tuesday if all goes well, and the following weekend we're going away, and we still don't know where.
No, but I don't care. We'll just try it out.
Yeah. And then we've got half term coming up from the following week, haven't we? Or the week after.
I don't know. The end of October. I'm not too sure.
So hopefully go away then as well.
Hopefully.
Because we caravan all year round.
Yeah. We're not someone that just covers it up in the winter.
No.
No. We'd rather be here than at home.
We was in, where was it? Cornwall a couple of years back at Christmas. And all the water froze up.
It did.
Even the wastewater, we couldn't get rid of the water.
No. But that's the fun of caravanning.
Yeah.
You know, you go away, you expect these things. And if you don't take life too seriously, then it doesn't matter.
Anyway, we're getting off the point here.
We are.
Yeah. Just to let you know, we cleaned the van out. It's going on Sunday, hopefully Tuesday, because the reason it's going on Sunday is they're taking the motor mover off our van and swapping it over onto the new van, and that way we don't have to wait around on Tuesday. So we're dropping it off on the Sunday, Tuesday picking up the new van, and we'll start again.
More memories.
A lot more. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like what you see,
Give us a like.
give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you again.
Bye.
Bye.